Why does this keyboard not go brrrr? Yo, so you want to improve your productivity on the computer? Well, me too. Being the guy who knows nothing about computers and being the guy who's too slow, it's sort of a problem. Let's fix that. Now when I say productivity, I don't mean studying smart. No, that's for losers, bro. No, when I say productivity, I mean speed, alright? I mean being fast, typing. Brrr. Now, I know a couple ways to do that. Considering I have exams next week, and you probably do too, we need to be fast on the computer. Wait, hold on, I have exams next week. Why am I making this video? Right, so we're gonna first start off with cleaning my horrendous desk setup. The cable management is absolutely disgusting. This keyboard, it's not even mine. The mouse, not mine. A mouse pad, it's my year 12 English book. And as you can see, cable management, absolutely horrendous. So we're gonna buy some mad mechanical keyboard for cheap. Right, we're gonna buy that.
And these
cool
wacky
RGB
gamer mouse pad.
Let's get it. Alright, by the time those come, let's try to improve our typing speed. Alright, that's me using how I normally type. That's pretty good, 49 words per minute. So if you haven't heard the concept of touch typing, it's basically where you use all 10 fingers on top of the keyboard and being able to simultaneously click a key using all 10 fingers. Now this concept will allow you to be not only faster, since you can potentially click 10 different keys at once, but it will also improve your accuracy, especially while you're not looking at the keyboard. That's the goal. In 4 days I have an exam, so I have to learn touch typing and reach the speed that I was normally producing. Let's see if we can do that. If you haven't seen it already, go watch Notes with Ren's video on how to type faster in just 1 week. She provides some really good strategies on how to improve your speed, and whilst also giving links to some websites that may provide use. Let's first start with typingclub.com to learn how to place our fingers on top of the keyboard. Then we'll move on to keyboard.com to improve on our weaknesses. Finally, once we've got the accuracy down, we'll focus on practice and improving our speed using 10fastfingers.com. Alright, so day 1 complete. I've learned the first home row and the row above that off by heart. That's your brain, dumbass. I memorized exactly which finger touches which key. I'm trying to finalize that now, the bottom row. Only 3 more days to go until my exam. Gotta be quick. Alright, so I've gotten all of the hand placements down, every single key. I know how to press it without even looking. So the goal right now is to improve my accuracy firstly, and then improve my speed. Alright, here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Around. Damn it. Alright, 31 words per minute. Hey, that's actually pretty decent. And it's only day 2. I have 2 more days till my exams. I feel like I could go faster than 50 words per minute with enough practice. Let's do this, bro. Let's go. Alright, while we're doing that, let's see what else we could do to boost our productivity on the computer. If you don't use this already, this is gonna blow your mind. This is gonna change your life forever. It sure as hell did for me. The video speed controller literally speeds up or slows down or advances all your videos. Now the way you use this is, once you got a boring part, for example the start of videos are generally more boring, so you just hold D, increase the speed. Right now it's 3, let's just skip through all the BS and let's just go straight into the more important parts of the video. You watch videos in half the time it takes. So a 2-hour lecture is just 1 hour. You could spend that 1 hour on doing something you want to do. This is a perfect way to be productive on the computer.
Increase the speed.
But sir, we wouldn't understand the thing.
Increase the speed.
Video is done.
Oh, that was quick.
Well, that's what happens when you increase the speed of a video. You have more time to do other things.
Oh wow. If only everyone watched videos at faster speeds, they'd save so much time.
Yes, if only they did. Alright, so I just came back from a workout, and I thought we should approach touch typing just like we approach working out. We generally do 5 sets, 12 reps of a workout. What if we implemented this while we're practicing for touch typing? We'll do 12 practice sessions with a break in between 5 times, and then we'll take a longer break. We could improve a lot faster if we took this approach.
Alright, now I bet you're thinking, Ömer, you've taught me how to be productive. That's enough, we don't need any more productivity tips. Well, no, we do not stop. We need more speed.
The next computer productivity tip is keyboard shortcuts. Now, I personally hardly have any knowledge on keyboard shortcuts, so let's get cracking.
What did I learn? Control W will close the tab you are currently on. Alt F4 will close the whole application that you're actually currently working on. Alt Tab can be used to switch between apps. Windows D can be used to access the desktop like that. Some F1, F2, F3 keys already have different functions associated with them. So some keyboards, such as most laptops, have an extra FN button, function button, which you have to also hold if you want to do these keyboard shortcuts. Clicking F5 will refresh the page you're currently on. Windows Control D will open up a whole new desktop view. To cycle through virtual desktops, you can click Windows Control arrow. Now let's continue practicing with our touch typing. I've been averaging around the high 30s and sometimes low 40s. Looking back at the footage, I realized some crucial mistakes that I've been making. Taking another look at theory, I need to place my hands high on top of the keyboard and not let my wrists rest on the desk. For that, I also need to adjust the height of my chair. My accuracy has also been pretty low, and looking back at the footage, I realized that I occasionally look down on my keyboard. I need to get rid of this bad habit and improve my accuracy, so I decided to take it really slow for the next few tries. Now all I need is just to be patient and not give up. After a few more tries, I finally achieved my goal of surpassing 50 words per minute.
Yes, let's go! Let's go!
So I just finished my exam. As you can see here, the exam was multiple choice. I didn't need to type. You Do you guys hear that? Hold on, let me check it out. Oh yuck. How's this? Let's see how much this mechanical keyboard will help me in my typing speed. Absolutely destroys my typing speed and my accuracy.
Subscribe or else I'll hack into your computer and delete all your files.